Teaching in Thailand, Part 2.
There are a lot of different phonemes, but this is just the basic phonemes. I don't want you to remember everything. It's very hard to remember everything. But just to be familiar with how sounds are created by using the letters, okay? So I'll give you another example later on. Okay, what is allophone? Allophone is 1, 2, 3, go.
Allophone is a term used in phonology to describe various pronunciation of a phoneme.
Okay, again, this big circle is the phonology. And then inside of phonology, we have another circle, and that is phoneme. And then inside the phoneme, we have the allophone. This one, the allophone. Teacher Ray, I don't understand. Okay, please raise your hand if you do not understand, then we'll repeat from the beginning. That's okay to Teacher Ray. See the difference?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay, when we say aspirated again, what does it mean? Aspirated. There's a blow of air. Very good. You say this one. Unaspirated. There's no blow of air.